Hi everybody, it's me Natalia. Today my mom found a little garden snake.
Oh, let me see.
It is apparently raining right now, very hard. And she was just grabbing some wood. She just happened to find this little guy under like some sort of brown blanket thing.
Oh, how long is it? Oh, it's so cute. I like it.
And I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, but here's what the tail looks like.
Ah.
I can't tell. We think it's a boy. Bye.
Hi everybody. My mom found this snake. Stop it. And
How does it feel?
when your horns make it tickle. Actually, it's the microphone.
Okay. Done.
Hi everybody. My mom found this baby garden snake and keeping it as a pet, and then if it's a boy or girl, put a blue heart or a pink heart.
Okay.
Bye. My mom found a garden snake. We're naming it Rain, and we're keeping it as a pet. So bye.